These are the 5 bird species with the scariest sounds. Which one do you think is the scariest? Let us know in the comments. But first, if you like this video and subscribe to my channel before it ends, you will have incredible luck. Number 1. Lyrebird. Is this bird screaming or singing? It's hard to tell. Number 2. Potoo bird. This bird doesn't sing. It basically sounds like it's telling you it's tired of life. Number 3. Horned owl. This is the terrifying sound you hear in the forest at night. Number 4. Kookaburra bird. It sounds like it's laughing, but it's actually really creepy. Number 5, and finally, spectacled owl. Is this a bird or a crying monster?